Bitcoin just went to $80,000 and it's probably gonna go even lower. That's why watch this video until the end. So where are my entry price targets, where I will go in heavy on my long positions, on my swing trades, and also what is my strategy for the upcoming weeks. For now, we can see here Bitcoin dropped quite heavily, around 35% drop here from the all-time high in just a matter of probably 1 month or something like that. Let's quickly look at it. In a matter of 40 days here, in a matter of 47 days, Bitcoin dropped 35%, guys. This is huge. You have to be careful in the market. Don't buy the tops, and you could have foreseen this if you just look at the RSI. When the RSI is overbought on the 4 hourly, it's not the right time to buy. Like that, you can avoid buying the tops very easily. Just watch the relative strength index. If it's overbought, it's not a good time to buy. You want to buy when the RSI is oversold, when the fear and greed indicator is showing extreme fear, when everybody's scared and nobody is interested in Bitcoin or crypto anymore. Those are the best moments to buy. You don't want to buy when everybody's talking about Bitcoin. You don't want to buy when your grandfather, grandmother, they're asking if it's a good time to invest in crypto. You want to buy when nobody likes crypto anymore. That's when you get the juicy gains. And right now, we are in the direction of that opportunity. With that being said, let's check out here the chart on the daily where we might buy some more Bitcoin. We can see here we broke this very important level right here. This is actually an indicator that a bear market might start. So we have to trade accordingly. I already opened some shorts. You can follow all of my trades in the VIP trading group. I'll put a link in the description and in the pinned comment. You can join me there. You get trading setups there. You get market insights. You have a VIP traders community that you can exchange knowledge with, and you can grow your portfolio with us. Now, Bitcoin right here doesn't look good at all, guys. Look at here. We have a clear top and also looks like we're going lower and lower now. Actually, it was almost like a waterfall drop here. We can see here just in a matter of couple of days, we dropped from 105 to 80K, 25K in just a couple of days, basically. Let's quickly show it here on the chart. We can see it in just a matter of 10 days. We dropped $25,000 for Bitcoin, which is not nice at all, but it's also a good opportunity for the people who didn't get the chance to buy Bitcoin when it was lower. If you remember my video from March, when I mentioned that RSI was oversold, fear and greed index was oversold, and was at extreme fear actually. That was the best time to buy Bitcoin this year. And it was right here when Bitcoin was around $73,000. We can see the RSI was very oversold during that period. And right now we are almost at the same level here. If we can see it right here, we can see exactly the same level. So it might be a good time to buy something. Can we go lower? Definitely. But I'm thinking to already start buying some more. I already started to buy some Solana, and I'm also buying a lot of stocks actually. I'm buying Google, Nvidia, Tesla, and some of the other stocks out there. Join the Telegram where I'm sharing everything with the closed community. Now, let's take a look also at Ethereum below $3,000. Doesn't look good at all. The next one, let's see, next good support would be probably here at $2,100. Let's quickly, and actually it's a very strong support, so I would say it's not unlikely that we will go there. Look at this actually. I would say it's not unlikely at all. I think that would be probably the best time to buy some Ethereum. So I'll definitely set some orders there with low leverage, just maybe 3 or 5x, because the market is super volatile right now. We can easily pierce down and wick down and liquidate everybody. But we can see here on the daily, Ethereum is also getting oversold. The last time Ethereum was in the oversold zone, it was 1,310, and since then it did around 260% in just 148 days. So I think it's a good time to buy right now. I'm actually gonna close or take some profits on some of my shorts, and I'm probably gonna open some small long positions. As I mentioned, I already bought some Bitcoin, I already bought some Solana, and besides that, let's see, I think Ethereum, it's coming soon for a nice entry here. Let's see, 2,100, that would be ideal, but I'm probably gonna start already at 2,500. That would be very nice. Besides that, what else we have? We can see the market is completely red. Doge down 11%. Filecoin. And you remember, I talked about Filecoin just recently when it had this big pump right here. It pumped from $1.20 up to $3.91. And if you look at it, let's say you would have bought here the pump, you are down already 60%, guys. That's why you have to be very, very careful with these altcoin pumps. Don't chase any pumps. Wait for the retracement. Only buy extreme fear and when the RSI is oversold. Let's see, Solana, I have to say, looks quite good here at 127. Let's see, we'll have a major support basically here. So I don't think we'll probably go below that. The major support is at around $110. So we might go touch it and then have another bounce here and continue this sideways consolidation phase. So that was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. This is the most important rule in crypto. And as always, see you again next time. Bye bye.